Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add text to your screen on OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS app on your computer. Once the application launches and you can see your main dashboard, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a section labeled Sources. This is where you'll manage all the visual elements that appear in your stream or recording. Click on the plus icon right next to it to reveal a list of available sources you can add. From the list that appears, select Text GDI. This option allows you to add customizable text overlays to your stream. A new window will pop up, and you can simply click OK to proceed with the default name or rename it if you prefer. Now you'll see a text field where you can enter your desired text. Go ahead and type in whatever message or information you want to display on your screen. This could be anything from your social media handles to stream announcements or any other text you need visible during your broadcast. Next, you'll want to customize how your text looks. Click on Select Font to open the Font Customization menu. From here, you can browse through the list and select your preferred font style that matches your stream's aesthetic. Take your time choosing one that fits the vibe you're going for. You can also change the size of your text in this same window. Adjust it to make sure it's readable but not too overwhelming on screen. Once you're satisfied with both your font choice and size, click OK to apply these settings. Then click OK again to close the Text Properties window and add your text to the scene. Now let's add some visual polish to make your text stand out even more. Navigate back to the Sources section in the bottom left, right-click on the text GDI source you just added, and select Filters from the menu that appears. This opens up advanced options for enhancing your text's appearance. In the Filters window, look to the bottom left and click the plus icon. From the list of available filters, select Color Correction. This powerful filter lets you fine-tune the visual appearance of your text. Click OK to add it. Now navigate to the color option at the bottom of the filter settings. You'll see a Select Color button right beside it. Click on that button to open the color picker. Choose the color you want for your text by clicking on it in the palette, then click OK to apply it. This gives you complete control over matching your text to your brand colors or stream theme. With the color set, you can further refine the appearance by adjusting the contrast. Use the slider and move it left or right based on your preferences. This helps make your text pop against your background or blend in more subtly depending on what you're going for. Similarly, adjust the brightness using its slider. Move it left or right until you achieve the perfect balance that makes your text clearly visible without being harsh on the eyes. Once you're happy with all your adjustments, click Close in the bottom right to exit the filters window. Your text is now fully styled and visible on your stream. If you need to resize it, simply click on the text in your preview window and drag the corners to make it larger or smaller until it fits perfectly in your scene. And there you have it. You've successfully added and customized text on your OBS stream with professional-looking colors and styling. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.